Hello everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel a transfer in the Ace Money Transfer app. First, open the Ace Money Transfer mobile app or visit their official website. Next, log in to your account. Go to the History section. Select the recent transaction you want to cancel. Tap the Cancel button. Choose your reason for cancellation from the options provided. Then submit your request. And that's it. Your cancellation request will be processed shortly. And that's how to cancel a transfer in the Ace Money Transfer app. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.